Okay, so I hope that this works and I hope that the quality comes across as well as I want it to. I'm not a streamer, so bear with me here. So I think that the issue that a lot of us are having is we'll take yesterday for example. We'll go back to SPY yesterday and we'll hop on the 2 minute. I feel like a lot of us are fucking hopping on this 2 minute and treating it like fucking gold, right? We're treating it like our bread and butter and that we trade and we execute and everything off this, right? So one thing that I would have done back in the day is this. Look, I see SPY's fucking making a downtrend here. So I'm going to draw my little downtrend, this little channel that we're forming. And I'm like, all right, boom. So like, let's just say that this is all we can see from here on, right? None of this exists yet. So I'm like, all right, shit, boom. We're going to take this bear flag that's forming, this little bear flag. Let's pretend that we can't see any of that. We're going to take this little bear flag and we're going to take puts because we're in a downtrend and we're bear flagging, and bear flag is a continuation of a downtrend, so let's take it. Well, like the things that we're missing is we're trying to give these smaller time frames so much power when in reality it's our levels that have all the power. If you didn't have this level drawn right here, this 589 level, you would have got cooked because we are attracted to this level more than this intraday downtrend that quite really means nothing in terms of levels, right? Like I keep saying, your little intraday trends have almost no power. Now I'm not saying that they're not useful because they absolutely are useful, but for something like yesterday, what we wanted to see, and I don't know why my levels keep moving, but this level right here was what we rejected off of. If you were watching SPY yesterday, your entry should have been rejection off of here. And actually, I'm pretty sure it's a daily trend line. If I zoom out, if I remember correctly. What the fuck? So we rejected the trend line. So that's from yesterday. So we rejected that daily trend line, and that should have been your call to enter puts, not this little fucking puny ass trend line that you drew yourself on the 2 minute. So what I really want to show you how this works in practice from today is this. We made a new level yesterday. This is daily lows. This is low of day yesterday. And I have it marked out. And if we go into pre-market, and I'll get off the 2 minute here. If we go into the 5 minute, you can see that on previous day low, we tested it once, we tested it twice, we tested it 3 times. I even have these wrote up. Retest 1 of previous day high rejection. Retest 2, we failed the highs. Retest 3, we failed the highs. If I'm noticing this pattern that we keep rejecting previous day highs, I'm going to now switch to my 2 minute, right? I'm going the wrong way. So now I can see, here's the same thing. Retest 1, retest 2, retest 3. I'm also noticing at the same time higher lows. We come to retest 4 and we held. So yeah, we're watching this level to form our bias. If we kept rejecting here and eventually made a new low, now I'm switching to puts, right? Because we can't go any higher, but we're going lower. So I'm going to go to puts. But just for today's example, we keep trying to make highs, keep trying to make highs, finally made highs and held. What do we see right here? Look at this shit. It's literally so simple, and I think this is where we're failing at. We're basing our structure on the 2 minute rather than this 15-minute level. Oh shit. We're basing our 2 minute for our whole day rather than the 15 minute, rather than these higher time frames. So after that, we'll take a look at the 2 minute. Like once we've got our confirmation that, oh shit, we broke this level, peep the 2 minute real quick. What do we see? Easiest fucking pattern to recognize ever. A motherfucking cup and handle. What is a cup and handle? A cup and handle is a continuation pattern. Where are we going? We're going to keep going up. So, if we're peeping that we broke previous day highs, we're making a continuation pattern, what's next? look for the retest. This 1018 candle is our retest. Confirmation candle. Last two candles have now closed above previous day high. So now we're going to look for an entry. And now if this candle was red, it was, as you can see from the wick, you could have entered on the wick. I don't like to enter in the middle of candles, but you could have. And then guess what? You enter down at 584. We moved $11 to 595. If you would have taken this, and I remember these were like $30 a contract or something like that. You take the trade, you watch it break one level, two levels, you watch it break three levels, test four, hold, break four, break five, break six, break seven, break eight, and then we test nine. And we failed nine and couldn't test it again. There's your exit. This is how simple this shit should be every single day. Look at your 15-minute to form your bias, and then and only then do you look at your lower time frames for your entry. If that confused anybody, please let me know.